Hello and good evening, everybody. Tonight, I just want to do a real quick recap of today's market, June 23rd, 2025, and show you how easy it is to buy on blue and sell on red with the NMKL trader system. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the markets this morning. Go over to the 1 minute chart and let's recap it. Very easy trades this morning. Okay, the first one we get right away about 10 or 15 minutes into the market. So what we want to do is make sure the micro and the macro trend are both in agreement. Here we go. Let's go ahead and place our arrow underneath this. Okay, this is our first trade of the day, our first entry point. I'm just going to move that to the side for just a second while I put my range tool over here. And I'm going to go ahead and set this just above the actual signal candle. I'm going to drag it down about 80 ticks just to give myself a stop range. Remember, this is not a hard stop, but this is where I start thinking, okay, if it closes below this, should I get out of my trade? Go ahead and close it out. I hope that makes sense. Somewhere around 80 to 85, but roughly I like to set it about 80. Okay, and then on the upside, let's go ahead and see roughly how many ticks we would have got on this up to the top side. Just after it broke through there and it starts ranging back down, this is probably about where I get out. So as you can see, it's roughly about 349, 350 ticks there almost. Let me bring us over there. There we go. That's the first trade of the day. All right. Now let's go over here and take a look at the second trade of the day. And here we find the lineup. Okay. Basically looking for the red to agree. Here we go. Let's go ahead and put the range tool on here. Let's take it down. Probably would have got out right about there. Let's go ahead and put the 80 ticks on top. So you can see how I actually trade. Let's go right there. Okay, if you rode this one all the way down, it would have been about 443 ticks. Not a bad trade, actually a great trade. And let me put my sell candle there, or my sell arrow there. Okay, that's a sell on red. Now we got one more for the day. Like I said in the title of the video, 3 for 3. Here we have our agreement again. And I'm just demonstrating this to show you how easy this is to trade. You can't go wrong. And we got people in the group that are trading this on average of 2 to 3 trades a day and doing really well. And they are becoming future professional professionals in futures trading. Okay, on this one, roughly take it up to about that point there, about 359 ticks. Okay, on the downside. Now this one here, a little bit, you're like, well, what would you have done with this? I would have wrote it out. Probably went to the bottom of the candle and just a little bit more risk on this one. But I don't want the candle to go below the actual signal candle and close. Close is key. All right, I don't make any decisions till after the current candle is closed. Then you ride this on up, you get about 359 ticks out of it, and this is an awesome trading day. If you were to pull up the calculator, let me just pull it up, CAL calculator, and you take, let's go 300, and we'll just kind of round down 350 plus 440 plus, go back over here and look at this one. Let's go plus 340 equals, now you take that times 20, and that's roughly, no, not 20, I'm sorry, hold on. Let me divide by 20. That's not how much I made in these trades today. Okay, so you divide by 4. 4 ticks to a point, right? Okay, and then you take that times 20. If you traded this today, this would have been a $5,650 day. You cannot beat that. That is with one trade, or that's one contract on the E-mini NASDAQ 100. All right. I hope this has really been an insightful, quick video on how to trade the market trend system. I hope this intrigues you. Please jump on over to our website here at nmkltrader.gumroad.com/L/MTS for the market trend system. And with the market trend system, here is what you get. Okay, you're going to get, here's some of the things it does. Basically, you get buy and sell indicators, market trend alert micro indicator, market trend histogram indicator, market trend levels indicator to give you your support and resistance areas, market trend trading session indicator, push notifications so you can set up your phone to get alerts while you're doing stuff around the house. NMKL Trader MDR Discord group. You can come on into NMKL Trader community and watch the videos for training. Get a lot of great stuff in there. There's a community. We are traders helping traders with the market trend system. There is no monthly fees with this system. Lifetime access. So anytime we update, you get in on the update. Okay. And here's what the market trend alerts look like. You get these buy and sell indicators with it. Also, you get that ribbit sound too when you get a buy or sell indicator. Here's the histogram. This is the macro trend, and here are my levels, deviation levels. Market trend trading session. You get this session window that shows you when to trade. Just a little bit about the system. It's the simplest and easiest trading system on the market today. Buy on blue, sell on red. Basically, you get about an 80% win rate, 75 to 80% win rate when you use just the market trend system itself. By adding these other tools, you can increase your win rate to 85 to 90%. Here's what people are saying. Thank you for the system. Trading, or the market, or simple trading system that's easy to understand, very easy to use, and it provides an excellent foundation for anyone seeking to better themselves. Excellent entries, buy on blue, sell on red. One of the NMKL Trader community members. Okay, so just a little bit about this. Now, I wanted to share this with you because this thing right now is only $199 for the system, but as demand picks up and people learn how easy it is to make money using this system, the price is going to go up. All right, so if you feel this is something you want to do, go over here and click on I want this and come on in, become a part of our community. All right, I hope this has been a very quick educational video. This is Nate. I'll see you in the trade room over on the NMKL community in our Discord room. Okay, take care, everybody. Have a good night.